Night in Baghdad. A cinematic view of ancient Baghdad at night, lanterns flickering along streets, silhouettes of scholars walking, a dark mysterious atmosphere, cinematic lighting. Childhood in Tus. A young boy studying by candlelight in a modest Persian home, books scattered around, Tus city in the background, warm soft lighting, ultra-realistic, cinematic. Early education. Al-Ghazali as a teenager memorizing Quran and studying logic with a teacher, ornate Islamic classroom, Persian architecture, detailed books, soft natural lighting, realistic. Arrival at Baghdad. Bustling streets of medieval Baghdad, horse-drawn carriages, scholars walking to Nizamiya University, historical architecture, morning sunlight, cinematic realism. Debating scholars. Al-Ghazali debating in front of a large audience of scholars, gestures, intense discussion, Middle Eastern historical attire, libraries in background, dramatic lighting. Spiritual crisis. Al-Ghazali standing alone in a dim lecture hall, head in hands, trembling, dark stormy sky visible through windows, intense emotion, cinematic mood. Leaving Baghdad. A lone figure walking through desert roads at sunset, cloaked in simple garments, carrying a small satchel, vast desert landscape, cinematic lighting. Damascus solitude. Al-Ghazali meditating alone on a minaret roof in Damascus, city skyline at Sunrise, serene and reflective mood, realistic details, cinematic. Pilgrimage to Mecca. Al-Ghazali walking barefoot on desert sands towards the Kaaba, pilgrims in the distance, soft morning light, cinematic, ultra-realistic. Jerusalem reflection. Al-Ghazali praying inside Al-Aqsa Mosque, light streaming through stained glass, quiet and spiritual atmosphere, historical Islamic architecture, cinematic. Years of meditation. Al-Ghazali sitting cross-legged in a desert cave, surrounded by scrolls and books, candlelight illuminating his face, introspective mood, ultra-realistic, cinematic. Writing Ihya Ulum al-Din. Al-Ghazali writing his masterpiece Ihya Ulum al-Din at a wooden desk, manuscripts scattered, sunlight streaming through window, focused and serene expression, realistic, cinematic. Students reading. A group of students in historical Islamic attire studying Al-Ghazali's manuscripts in a grand library, Persian architecture, warm lighting, cinematic, realistic. Teaching in Tus. Al-Ghazali teaching quietly in a Tus courtyard, students sitting around him, olive trees, soft sunlight, serene and inspiring atmosphere, cinematic. Spiritual legacy. Symbolic image, glowing books and a radiant light above Tus, representing Al-Ghazali's spiritual and intellectual legacy, cinematic, mystical. Final reflection. Al-Ghazali sitting peacefully under a tree at sunset, Tus landscape, calm expression, golden hour lighting, cinematic, ultra-realistic. Passing away. Al-Ghazali lying on a simple bed, serene and peaceful. Soft light from a nearby window, gentle shadows, respectful historical setting, cinematic. Students mourning. Students gathered outside Tus home, expressing grief, traditional Persian attire, warm muted lighting, cinematic storytelling. Eternal light. A symbolic ethereal light rising above Tus city, representing Al-Ghazali's lasting influence, mystical and cinematic. Outro Bata legacy. Books, scrolls, and glowing symbols of knowledge floating above an ancient city at night, cinematic storytelling, inspiring, ultra-realistic.